Hi, welcome to Construction Point. So I'm at my site. We are excavating our foundation trenches, and you can see we are meeting some hardened sedimentary rock.
Very strong rock.
Very strong rock. So, let me see. You can see. You see the kind of rock we are meeting here, and
Well mixtures.
it's very hard.
Gravel.
You can see they are using the pick to excavate it. So the question is, if we meet this type of rock, are we going to stop or we should continue digging? That's the question. It's a very hard question to answer, so I want everybody to put it together for us to answer this question. So it is very hard. It is to some extent at the same strength level with grade 10 concrete.
Yes.
To some extent the same grade level with concrete. So like this place now, we excavated to some depth and you can see the rock. You can see it. So very hard. Very hard. You can also see it there. At this very point, they cannot excavate because this is the rock all through. You can see. Very hard rock. Very hard. This is it. See? Look at this head. Look at it. Very hard. It's okay. Very hard. So you can see that this is the rock all through. So the question is, are we going to stop here or keep on break the rock to get to maybe where the rock will end? But probably it may not end. Some of the rock do end. Some of this rock, there's one experience we had at one site where some foundation were laid on top of the rock, not knowing that the rock was more of surface level, was at the surface level. There was a deep below the rock. There is a clay. There is clay below the rock. So when we finish, when we now laid our foundation on it, at the end of the day, there was a major settlement within them. What it means is that there is every possibility that this rock did not continue downward. There's every possibility, you can see it here now. There's every possibility that this rock did not continue downward, that it is just on a surface level. That when you dig below, you will see that it is filled with clay, or it is empty, or filled with a loose soil or a bad soil that has low bearing capacity. So when you apply a huge load on the rock, when it is on the surface, it is just existing on the surface level, there could be a kind of settlement, and this may cause a collapse of structure. So if probably you meet this type of rock on your foundation, the best thing to do is to call the geologist to come and investigate to know whether is it continuous, or it's just a surface rock. If it is a surface rock, there is need to completely remove it to get a suitable surface for your column base or your trenches, your foundation concrete. So just like here now, see?
I can't be effect.
Very hard. Very hard. You can hear the sound. Very hard. It's just as hard as grade 10 concrete. It's just as hard as grade 10 concrete. So now the question is, if at the end of the day we have this topmost level as the level, are we going to leave it like this? Are we going to cast it like this? Yes. The question is that if we have this now as the final level, this is a very hard rock here. So if at the end of the day we have this rock, at the topmost of our concrete, this is on top of the rock we are going to lay our concrete that way. So another question that came in is, they say, do rock grow? Yes. You know, when we are small, they tell us that rock grow, but it's actually true. Rocks grow. So when rock is exposed to mineral and water, if there is a mineral dent on rock and it's exposed to water, there could be some reaction that will cause increment in the size of the rock. That's how rock grow. So, but in the other way around, that is the only way that rock grows. So these ones here now, without the deposit of minerals and water, there is nothing like. I'll show you now. See that this particular stone that we met here that time, it's just a surface rock. See, just a surface rock. See, some part of it is filled with sand. We just broke it off now. Just broke it off now. See, that's the rock. You can see it. So a small surface. It's okay. Continue. So small surface. Look at the place. Look at the place. Some part of it is still remaining. See?
Black monkey.
So this is the surface rock. It's surface, so there's no need to leave it. If you leave it and then maybe apply load on it, there could be some part of it taking it out. If you leave it and apply load on it, it may fail. At the end of the day, you cry. You fail your structure, it will fail you. So you should be able to establish the ones that are surface structure and the ones that are embedded deep inside the ground. You can see now. See this one now? It's going out. Bam. Thank you.